Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chrysler 300 seats lay flat easy guide. Fold the headrests, pull the release latch behind the seat, and push the seat back forward until it locks flat. For split seats, fold one side at a time and clear any cargo from the trunk pass-through. Check that the seat belt retractors are free and that the seat back sits flush for a stable, flat surface. Begin by setting the parking brake and working on a level surface for safety and stability. Remove loose cargo and gloves, help protect against pinch points while you work. If trim panels restrict access, use a plastic prying tool to avoid scratching interior plastic. Always move seats slowly to prevent springs or catches from snapping. Test the flat position by gently pressing on the seat back to confirm it is secure and even. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful car tips for you. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for road trips or trunk snacks. They keep things tidy and are surprisingly handy during seat adjustments. Check the description below for the product link and other deals that might save you time. Now let's get back to the video. If the seat back refuses to fold, check headrests, cargo, and mats first because they are the usual culprits. For electronic releases, verify the ignition position and inspect fuses if the actuator is silent. Tight catches or rusted components might need a quick clean or lubrication with a silicone spray. In split configurations, fold each section individually to identify which side is binding. Always operate slowly to locate and remedy the exact cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.